Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn ETABS software for civil engineering. To start, grasp the core concepts of structural analysis, which are essential for effective software use. Next, spend time exploring the ETABS interface. Understanding its layout will significantly speed up your learning. Begin by modeling basic two-dimensional frames, gradually increasing complexity. Always ensure you accurately define material and section properties for realistic results. To master modeling, first learn to establish grids and place structural elements such as beams, columns, and walls. Then, practice applying diverse load types, including dead, live, and lateral loads, ensuring they reflect real-world scenarios. Correctly assigning supports and boundary conditions is crucial for accurate analysis. Finally, explore various meshing techniques for slabs and walls to achieve precise analytical models. After modeling, run the structural analysis and carefully review the output results. It is vital to interpret diagrams for bending moment, shear force, and axial forces to understand member behavior. Always check the structural stability and displacement values against design codes. This step helps identify potential areas of stress concentration or failure, guiding your design decisions effectively. The final stages involve performing concrete or steel design checks directly within ETABS, ensuring compliance with relevant codes. Generate comprehensive design reports and schedules, which are invaluable for documentation. Always verify the software's design results against your manual calculations or code provisions for accuracy. Finally, export your models and data for further documentation or seamless collaboration with other project team members.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.